Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to hide likes and other reacts from your Facebook post. So when someone see your post, they won't be able to see how many people likes or reacts on your post. Let's see how to do that. First go to setting from the top right corner, select your profile picture icon, then go to setting and privacy, click setting again. Now from the left menu, select reaction preference. Now you can see there are two options, on post from others, on your post. If you want to hide likes and reacts from your post, select on your post. Turn on that. That's all. If you find this video useful, please like and comment. If you want to see videos like this, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.